Today we will start the chapter 1 of class 4 math. Name is numbers and numeration. Okay, let us go to the exercise directly. The exercise, the 1.2. See the question. Number 1. Write the place value of the color digit in the following numbers after putting commas and separating the digit into period. See first, number 1, A, B, C, D. There are 4 questions given. We have to write the place value of color digit. Let us do one by one. Okay. Number 1A, question given 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 9. What is the place value of 5 that we have to write out? Place value of 5. See the position of place value of 5. Position is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means 50 lakh we have to write. 50, after 50 you have to write lakh. Means how many zeros are there after 50? 5 zeros are there. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 5 how many zeros I will write? 6 zeros. The answer is 50 lakh. Okay. This is the place value of 5 of first day. Is it clear? Next we will go to the second number. Second number. See the second number given 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. The color is number 2. The color is on the number 2. So what is the place value of 2 that we have to write out? Now see. Question number 1B. 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. The color digit given on 2. We have to write the place value of 2. See, where the position of 2? 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. So what is the place value of 2? This will be 20,000. After 20 you have to write 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 2 I have to write 40. 20,000. The place value of 2 is 20,000. Go number C. C given 9, 2, 2, 6, 8, 8, 7, 7, 9. The color digit is these 2. The color digit is these 2. So what is the place value? The place value of 2. Where the position of 2? 1's place, 10's place, 100s, 1000s, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, 100 lakh means crore. After 2, I have to write here how many zeros are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two crore. Okay. So what is the place value of 2? In this question, the place value is 2 crore. 1, 10, 100s, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. The place value of 2 is 2 crore. Means after 2 I have to write how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. Because 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. This is the answer. Number D. See number D. Question given 1, 6, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 0, 8. The color digit is 5. The color digit is 5. Okay. We have to write the place value. The place value of 5 in this question. Where the place? They are asking the find the place value. Means where the place? First we have to see 1's place, 10's place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means 50. See how I am writing here. After 5, how many zero I have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 5, see how many 6 are 0? Total 6 0 I am writing. The answer is 50 lakh. This is the answer. I think it is clear for you. Number 1, A, B, C, D. Only you have to write the place value of each digit, given digit. Hope you are able to understand all the part of the number 1. Next I am going to number 2 of same exercise 1.2. See the question. Write the place value of 3 in the given number, both in figure and words in international system. Question is clear? See the question I am repeating. Write the place value of 3 in the given number, this one, both in figure, means we have to write in figure, and words in which system? In international system. I am writing, okay? See number 2. Question given 5, 7, 3, 9, 4, 7. You have to write the place value of 7. Okay? There are two. Sorry, in this question, you have to write the place value of 3. Where the 3 is? See, number 3, the place value is the place value of 3 is, see where the position, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000, means this will be 30,000. Okay, you have to write in word, therefore this will be 30,000. 30,000. You have to write in both in word also.
So students, I think you guys have understood till here. Now we will move to question number 3.
Write the place value of 7 in this number in what? In which system? In Indian system. Let us do. Number given 3, 2, 8, 0, 7, 3, 0. And you have to write the place value of 7. You have to write the place value of 7. Okay, therefore, place value of 7 is equal to, where the position is 1, 10, 100, means 700. This is the place value of 7. What is the answer? 700. You have first you have to see the position, place, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. Therefore 700. The answer is 700. See the question number 4, same exercise. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of 4 in each of the following numbers, 4a and 4b. Let us do. Number given 6, 7, 4, 1, 1, 5, 9, 3, 0. Your question is, you have to write the place value as well as face value of 4. I am writing one by one. The face value. See, what is face value? Face value of 4. Let us see. Face means what is the face? Face means what is the written here? 4 written. The face value is 4. Okay. Face value is 4. But the place value of 4, same number, therefore I am giving this type. Place means where the place, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means the place value will be 40 lakh. See how many zero I am writing after 4? 6 zero. Why I am writing after 4 6 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 4 there are 6 zero I have to write. This is called place value. And face means just you have to write the face. What is the face? 4. Only that you have to write. Now you have to write the difference between. Therefore difference between this between place value and face value. The difference will be, what is that? 40 lakh minus 4. See, so what is the answer? Simply you have to write here, this will be 39, 9, 9, 9, 9, 6. This is the answer. If you will subtract 4, after 40 this will be 39, this will be 99996. The answer is this one. This is the difference between place value and face value of 4 of the given number. See the number 9, 6, 1, 8, 4, 7, 2, 1. We are doing number B part of number 4. What is the given? 9, 6, 1, 8, 4, 7, 2, 1. You have to write the place value of 4 and face value. Both you have to write. One by one I am writing. The face value of 4. What is the face value? This is face value is 4. Only write 4 because this is face, and the place value of 4. Where the position? Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, which will be 4000. This is called place value and this is called face value. Face means only the face. What is the face? 4. That I have to write. Place means position of 4. Where? Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place means 4000. Now we have to write the difference. See, the difference will be 4000 minus 4. So what is the result? The result will be 3996. 3996 will be the difference between place value as well as face value of 4 of the given number. Okay, I think it is clear for you. Number 4, A and B both. Next we are going to question number 5 of same exercise 1.2. See the question. What is given? Write the following numbers in expanded form. What is the question? Write the following numbers in expanded form. You have to write in expanded form of the following numbers. Let us see. Number given 9, 5, 2, 5, 7, 0. We have to write in expanded form. See, you have to write 9. How many 0 have to write here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 I have to write here. You can give plus sign. Next is 5. Write 5 here. After 5, how many positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 0 I will write here? 4 0 I will write here. Next number is 2. After plus, you will give 2. These 2 carry how many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means 2000. Next number is 5. How many 0 I will write after 5? 2 0. Next number is 7. After 7, how many 0 I will write? Only 1 0. And last number is only 0. I am repeating this number again. See, this will be 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, that means this will be 9,52,570. The number is 9 lakh. You have to write 9 lakh. 9 lakh. 52,000 means 50,000, then 2,000, then 500. I have written 500, then 70 I have written, last number is 0. And this is nothing but expanded form of 9,52,570. 9 lakh I have to write 9 lakh. 52 means 50,000 I have to write, next 2,000 I have to write here. Next is 500, then 70, then 0. This is called expanded form of 9,52,570 of 5A. Next I am going to B part of number 5. What is question given? You see 38,57,143. What you have to write? In expanded form. See, I have to write first number 3. After 3, how many 0 I have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 I have to write here. Okay, 6 0 I have to. Next number is starting from 8. Write here 8. After 8, how many 0 I have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 I have to write. Next number is 5. How many 0 I have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 50,000. Next digit is 7. 7, how many 0 I have to write after 7? 1, 2, 3. Means 7,000. Next number coming 1. How many 0 I have to write after 1? 2 0. Means 100. Next digit coming 4. How many 0 I have to write after 4? Only 1 place, means 1 0 I have to write. 40. Next number is 3. Write here 3. Repeating the number again. The question given 38,57,143 I have to write in expanded form. Means first I have to write 30 lakh, then 8 lakh, then I have to write 50,000, then I have to write 7,000, next 100, next 40, next only 3. This is the expanded form of 38,57,143. This is the answer. Next I am going to C part of number 5. What is the question given? 61,78,212. What I have to write in expanded form? First given number 6. After 6, how many digits 0 I have to write? 6 0. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 0. This is called 60 lakh. Next write 1 lakh. Next digit 1, I write 1 lakh. Means 5 0. Okay. Next digit given 7. 7. 7. How many 0 to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 0. Means 70,000. After 7, next digit coming 8. 8 means 8,000. 3 0. Next digit coming 2. This 2 means how many 0 I have to write? 2 0. After 2 places 2 0. Next digit coming 1. After 1, how many 0 I have to write? Only 1 0. 10. And last digit is 2. I am repeating again. The number given is 61,78,212. 61 means after 60 lakh, next 1 lakh, next 70,000, next 8,000, 200, 10, then 2. This is the expanded form of 61,78,212. I think it is clear for you. Next we will go to number D. See the number 3 crore 3 lakh 80,290. You have to write in expanded form. See, 3 crore, first digit is 3. Write here 3. How many 0 I write here? 2 0, again 2 0, again 3 0. Okay, this is the 3 first digit 3, I am writing 3, next all 0 I am writing here. How many 0 I am writing? 7 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 0 I have written here. Next digit is 0. Whenever 0 given, you have to write only 0. Not necessary to write so many zeros. Only 1 0 is sufficient because the place value of 7 0 is only 0. Not necessary to other write. Next digit coming 3. Write here 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means after 3, I have to write here 5 zeros. 5 0 means 3 lakh. Plus next digit coming 8. After 8, how many numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 0 I have to write here. Means 80,000. Next coming 0. In case of 0, you have to write only 0. Not necessary to write so many. Only 1 0 is sufficient. Next digit coming 2. Write 2 here. How many 0 I have to write here? 2 0. Next digit coming 9. How many 0 I have to write here? Only 1 0. The last digit nothing but 0. Write 0. And this is the expanded form of the given number 3 crore 3 lakh 80,290. And this is the answer. This is all about number 5. I think it is clear for you. Next we are going to number 6 of same exercise. What is the question? Write the following in short form. See, this is already given in expanded form and you will write in short form, just opposite of number 5. It is given expanded form, you have to write in short form. See one by one. See question number A of 6 given 8 lakh. Next given plus sign 2000. Next given 40 and next given 5. I am repeating the question here. This is given 8 lakh, 80 lakh. Sorry, 1, 2, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000 lakh. This is given 8 lakh. Next given 2000. Next plus sign 40 plus 5. What is the short form? See, from the last part you have to say this is 40 plus 5 means 45. Means 2045 and this is given 8 lakh 2040. How will you write here? See, very carefully you have to write. 8 lakh means comma. This is given 2000. Okay. Means you have to write 0, 2. 2000. 45 means here 0, then 45. Repeating here. Question given 8 lakh 2000 plus 40 plus 5 means 8 lakh 2000. 1000 place with 2. Next 100 place 0. 10's place 4. Unit place is 5. 8 lakh 2045. This is the answer. This is the short form of 8 lakh 2045. Let me explain again the same sum in different way. See, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakh place. See the question, it is given 8 lakh, means I have to write here 8 lakh. Next given 2000, where is 1000 place? This is 1000 place, I have to write here 2000. Next is 40, means 10's place, I have to write here 4. And unit place is 5. This is unit place. See how I am writing here. 1's place 5. 10 place 40 means 10's place 4. 100 place not given. Directly given 2000 means 1000 place 2. Next is after 1000 directly given 8 lakh. I am writing 8 lakh. The remaining place what I write here? I have write here 0. Means here 10,000 not given, I have to write 0. 100 place not given, I have to write 0. Now this is the complete answer of the given number. Okay, I am writing this in short. 8,02,045. This is the answer. This I am writing short. Okay, I think it is clear for you. Next, go to number B of 6. What is given in B? 6,09,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. How to write in short form? See. First to see 6 lakh. Just follow the previous one. 6 lakh. In lakh place I write 6. Next, directly given 9,000. Means 1000 place is 9. Before I write here 0. Means 0, 9. Okay. Next is 700. 700. Where I have to write 7? 100 place. 700 means 7. Here. 700. Next is 82. 782. I am repeating the number again. 6,09,782 means 1's place is 2, 8 means 10 place, this 700, 7 means 100 place, and 9 is on 1000 place, and 6 lakh place, and 10,000 place 0, only you have to place here 0. That means 6,09,782. This is all about B part of number 6. I think it is clear for you. Next I am going to next number. Next I am going last part of number 6, that is E. What is given here? Given 30 lakh. 30 lakh. See, 30 lakh plus 2 lakh. 2 lakh plus 7,000. 7,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4. 4. Okay. Last part is 4. See how to write here. First digit is 30 lakh. 2 lakh. 7,000. 500. 10. Last digit is 4. Okay. Last digit is 4. See. First I write 3. After that I write 2 lakh means 32. Next is 7,000. See, 7,000 means 10,000 place I write 0. 7,000. Next is 500. 100 place 5. 500. 10 plus 4 means 14. 514. The result is 32 lakh 7,514. I am repeating again. The question given 30 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4. 30 plus 2. 32 lakh. Next. See, repeating here. 10,000 place not given any number. 10,000 I am putting 0 here. Okay. Next is 7,000. 1,000 place is 7. 7,000. 1,000 place is 7. See, 7,000. Next is 500. 500. 14. 10 plus 4, 14. This is the answer. I think all will be clear for you of number 6. A, B and D. Last part I have completed. Today this much.